Hello, boys and girls. We're going to be working on our Day 8 number page, our Abeka worksheet. Here, I'm going to go over the directions. So if you haven't watched my video about subtraction, I want you to watch that first, okay? Because that'll help you with our new lessons. So number 1 says to add. We're going to add 6 plus 2. And I know, boys and girls, that you might not have any counters at home. And if you do not have any counters, I'll get with your families and we'll get you some of those. But when I add, sometimes I use counters because it's easy. So the first one says 6 plus 2. So let's make some 6 here. 6. There we go. 6. And then it says add 2 more. So we're going to do 6 plus 2. We'll put the 2 down there. Now, you might be able to look at that and know that that is 8. But if you don't know, then I want you to count them one by one, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. We're going to be making groups of 8. And there's many ways to do that. The next one says 3 plus 5. So let's try that. 3 plus 5. And look at that. 3 plus 5 is 8. I used the same 8. I just reorganized them a little bit. How about this one? 1 plus 7. Let's make 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. I didn't take any away. I'm just kind of mixing them up a little bit. Let's do the next one in the orange box. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. I used my same 8 counters and I just mixed them up a bit. What's this one? 5 plus 3. 5. Make this one 5. Plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 8. Oh, we love that one because that one is so easy. 0, we're not going to put anything up there, plus 8. Let's make sure we have our 8 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. And the last one in the red box says 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. So those are all the ways we can make 8. So if you have 8 things at home, 8 crayons, maybe you have 8 little jelly beans from your Easter basket. If you have something that you can count, maybe mom or dad can get you 8 pennies. I want you to practice making groups of 8, okay? Now let's talk about subtraction. Subtraction is when we have something and we're going to take something away. So there are 2 turtles and 1 went away, bye-bye. And we know that because there's a subtraction sign right there. And that's what that looks like. So 2 minus 1 equals, so let's use our counters. We have 2, take away 1 equals 1. There's 1 left. What about this little lamb up here? Let's read our number sentence, our number combination. It says 1 minus 1 equals. So we have 1, but now I'm going to take away 1. How many is left? That's right, 0 is left. So let's do the next one together. 3 bunnies, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. So I have 3 and I want to take away 1. How many's left? That's right, 2. Very good. Now this bluebird one, they want us to write the combination, which I think we can do. Let's count the birds together, okay? I'm going to put a counter on each bird so that'll help me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. And we're just going to take away 1. You see that? It's got an X on it. Take it away. So we're just going to take 1 away. See how I wrote that? 4 minus 1. How many is left? That's right, 3. So boys and girls, when we take away 1, just like when we add 1, we're only going down 1 number. Very good. Now let's look at the back of our day 8 number page. And let's do that together. Here we go. Oh, we're going to do some penny subtraction. I love penny subtraction. How many are left? Write the subtraction fact. Just like write the subtraction sentence or the subtraction combination. So let's see what the top says. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pennies. They wrote that. They're going to take away 1 with a big X. How many's left? Well, let's see here. There are 3 left. 1, 2, 3. 3. So 4 take away 1 is 3. If you need help, you can always use your fingers. 4 take away 1 is 3. Let's do this next one with the blue boxes. We have 3 pennies. I'm going to take 1 away, just 1. How many's left? 2 are left. Very good. How about this one? I have 5 pennies. Remember, I'm only going to take away 1 penny. Put an X on that penny. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And you see this one here? I want you to do that one by yourself, okay? This number 2 direction says, write the number that comes between. So you're going to need that number chart. That will help you. And you're going to find 17 and find the number that comes after and before 19. So that in-between number, that peanut butter and jelly inside the bread, you're going to find what comes in the middle. And number 3 says, write your numbers 1 to 30. Kind of like we do when we make our calendar. So you're going to go all the way to 30. Very good, boys and girls. If you have any questions on subtraction, I want you to ask your family and then they can message me.